Go.
Okay, today we're going to be looking at how to expand and simplify expressions. An expression, just to remind you, is a piece of algebra with no equal sign at the end. This is a piece of algebra, so we're supposed to expand and simplify. The first thing we need to do is expand the brackets. So there's a separate video on that if you need to see, but we're going to expand this first set of brackets first. 2 times 3x is 6x, and then 2 times 5 is 10, and because there's a plus in the middle here, we pop a plus in the middle there. So we get 6x plus 10 for the first bracket. The second bracket has got a positive 3, so we don't need to worry. So we do 3 times x, which is positive 3x, and then we do 3 times 2, which is 6, and of course in the middle there's that negative sign. So we put a negative sign there. Okay, that's our expansion done. Now we need to simplify. Again, there's another video on simplification if you want it, but we're just going to simplify this. I sometimes use colours to differentiate between the normal numbers and the x's. Okay, I've also underlined the symbol in front of the letter, so I know whether to add or take away. So we're going to do the x's first. 6x plus 3x is 9x. And then we've got this 10, and we're taking away 6. Now 10 take away 6 is 4. But remember, just because we take away doesn't mean we put a minus sign. 10 take away 6 is positive 4, so we put a plus sign. Now that's if we've got a plus in the middle. What we're going to do now is we're going to look at when we've got a minus in the middle, okay? Because things do change slightly. We're still going to expand the first one. 2 times 4x is 8x. And then we do 2 times 5, which is 10. So the first bracket's nice and easy. But the second bracket, we've got to remember that this now is not a plus, it is a minus. So this is not just 3, this is negative 3. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x. And then negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. So what this negative does is actually change that symbol. And we've got to be careful with that. Again, we're going to underline so we know which way we're doing. We're going to do the reds first. 8x take away 3x, which is 5x. And 10, again, take away 6 is 4. And of course that's still a positive, so we put a plus. Make sure your equal signs go down the page, and you should always get it right. Thank you.